Open E hints. When fretting the open E chord, you should pay extra attention to your ring finger, as it is easy to accidentally mute the third string right here. Also, check your index finger so it doesn't mute the first and second strings. Remember to fret the strings with the tip of your fingers and make sure you don't accidentally touch the surrounding strings. Now, grab the chord and pick all strings one by one, starting with the thickest string. If any string is muted, try to adjust your hand until all strings ring out with a clear sound.